Welcome to the Basic Detail channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my smoke machine to easily find vacuum leaks. To make this project, you will need a mason jar, a welder, 2 tire valves, baby oil, and old socks. Drill a first hole for the welder. The next 2 holes are for the tire valves. Insert the 2 valves into the 2 last holes we did. Caps off the both valves. Remove only one spring valve. To stick the welder into the cap, use some epoxy. Put the socks into the jar and put baby oil on it. The goal is to make the socks wet. Once the welder is plugged, you have to wait about 5 or 6 minutes to get some smoke. During this time, adjust your air compressor to 30 psi. You can also use a 12 volts compressor. Plug a vinyl hose to the valve we removed the spring valve into it. And now we are ready to send compressed air into the bucket. I'm not the first one to get this idea, but I never seen someone use tire valve to provide air into the bucket. It works pretty well, and you can control how much pressure you want into the vacuum system of your car. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching.